everyone, it's Beck Jane here, and this is how to import your new logo into Canva. So first up, what you're wanting to do is to open the email that I have sent you. So pop that open, click on the compressed file and it will unpack it. Then click on the contents and the individual icons. What you want to do is select them all, hold down your shift key and then save them or drag them to a location either on your desktop or onto a specific location on your computer. Once that's done, you can close those parts down. Open a new document in Canva, so www.canva.com. Open a new document and click on the uploads. Now you can create a new folder specifically for your logo. I find this easier. And then open the folder and pop in your uploads that you've just imported. So they should all import. The backgrounds will be transparent, so they should all import as grey. If they do show up as white, please let me know. It will just be that they haven't transferred over and I can just resend those in. The little green bars will indicate when they are fully imported. And then you can click on one. As you can see, drop, drag. You can crop it. You can change the filter on it, make it lighter, brighter, darker. And you can even pop little shapes behind it just so that it can be seen on darker images or lighter images even. And if you have any questions at all regarding this, please don't hesitate to contact me on either Facebook or via email. I'm happy to help you out with any other questions that you've got regarding your logos. And happy creating!